Hello, sir. There is no mute all here. Okay, you can unmute and speak. Today, you will not understand anything. Okay, this is the fifth session. Okay, but you will know how premium sessions will work. Okay, first
Okay.
let the premium people come in, and I'll complete the session and let they leave first, and then I'll let you know what happens here. And there is a live orientation session. Okay, I'll conduct the orientation session for all the five. Only then your week one starts.
Okay. Can we
Okay.
talk right now?
Yeah, there is no one here.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start at 9:02 actually.
Okay, sir. We have at least 2 minutes to talk.
Yeah,
6 minutes.
only 20:56. Yeah, we can talk.
The problem is I had done on the spec file, which I've done. If you,
Okay.
if you want, but I couldn't get yet till yesterday. It was not getting done. Today, finally, it got done. But instead of the main banner, I got it done downstairs. But yes, it got implemented.
Sir, for people like you, I have that I'm going to come up with one more service. Okay, you just create the content. You just focus on creating the content, and I'll do the spec file for you in 3 languages. Okay, and that is chargeable 2,499 per website. Okay, that is why I'm just figuring it out, and it will take again 30 days for me to figure it out. I'm going to offer this. Okay,
But the problem is, sir, the issue
yeah.
is my season is going on, and this is my peak time.
Sir, that is not at all ready. Okay, it's not that you have a content, I can do it right now. See, payment gateway integration has to be done. Okay, it's certainly you have to give all the details, and I have to create a system for you to give the details. It's just not like if you
Okay, I
just
can
send a
understand.
content, I can do it.
Acha,
It's
could you
not worth that.
okay, we'll do that also. Could you suggest something else? I mean, sample
Such as
like
something else, you hire someone to do the spec file for you.
okay.
Just 1,000 or 2,000, you give the content, you ask them just to put the content, and they can do it for you. Else you can just copy paste the content in between the codes, it will come automatically.
Okay, I'm doing it. I've done something a little bit also. I can show you.
Yeah, you saw the edits, right?
Yeah,
Then you can do it, sir.
I didn't done certain things also. Today I managed to do something.
Yeah, and that is tough. I agree, that is tough. But only the first time it is tough. Okay, once your content is ready and it is coming, then you are going to do small changes. Okay, that will be easy. So
Okay.
that's why I'm going to figure out the first thing that I can do. It's okay. Lot of previous members also. And when I contact the members, what is the main problem they have? They say that the spec file they cannot understand. So I have to figure out a way to help them with the spec file also. And I have it, but it will take me minimum 30 days. Sir.
Can you share the screen for a second? Can I share my screen with you?
No, sir. We have only 3 minutes.
Only 1 second it will take just to show you what I have created.
Yes, please.
You have to make it enabled. Sir, you have disabled the share screen.
I'll try to figure it out. Okay, please do it within 1 minute. Okay, 9:02. I'm starting the session.
Yes,
my
sir,
old.
Not a problem. See, sir, can you see it?
Yes.
This much has been done. This one line is being installed. Actually, I wanted to install this. I help MBBS doctor over here on the main page.
Yeah, this is title. You changed in the subtitle. You have to go and change in the title. That's all.
That's enough. That's enough. I'll do it. I'll do it today. Fine, sir.
Every section has a title and subtitle.
So it is going to get him. I'm happy at least I could do this much.
If you could do this, see, this is the service I'm going to come up with. See, I have a doctor from Mumbai, not Mumbai. Okay, she is from Delhi. You know her, right?
Yeah.
Jagjit. She wants to take this. She paid 499 and she got scared about this technicality and she left. And I have to figure out a way to do this easily. I'll figure out a way. Okay, that's not a problem.
Sir, one more thing. Suppose I spec file, I make the changes in the notepad, right? So then you said you download the notepad, right? This is a very small thing, but I couldn't download the notepad. Is there any scheme or way to download the notepad?
In Mac, there is no notepad, sir. It is just the text edit.
There is only notes over there. There is no notepad.
There is only notes. Notepad, I'll send you one software. It is called TextMate. Okay, it is free.
TextMate.
Go to
Max.
Mac app library. Type TextMate, TextMate, and if this is a coding editor, when you paste the JSON file, it will automatically say whether that this is a valid file or not. Okay.
The TextMate.
TextMate.
Okay. Okay. Text.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 9:02. We'll start.
Yes, sir.
And no questions in between.
Right, sir. Hmm?
I want Avinash to join. I'll message him. Okay, it's 9:02. We'll start. Okay. Today's session. Okay, this is the premium session 5. Today's session, I am going to tell you how to write the rest of the landing page. This week we will be doing the branding. I said the LinkedIn are the 4 pages that you have to create: LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These 4 channels you have to create, and the logo is the logo that we created, and the description is the offer sentence. Okay, that one we have to create. And I want to tell you the LinkedIn is very important, because the next big thing for us can happen only on LinkedIn. Okay, so what I mean is next big thing. See, we go to Facebook, we go to YouTube, we go to Facebook, we go to YouTube for one reason: we need to get clients for our service. Okay, LinkedIn also helps with that. But again, in the last few years, there is something happened in my LinkedIn profile. I'll tell you. Someone randomly sends a message, Jagan, I can give you 15 lakhs. And the only thing that I need from you is you want to improve your service. Okay, they will invite you to some contest. Okay, it can happen in Mumbai, it can happen in Delhi. They will identify you and they will offer you money to improve your service.
Okay.
These are all the things that can happen on LinkedIn. And if someone calls and tells me I'll offer you 10 lakhs, first I'll block him, because I know that will be scam. But again, some genuine things also is there. Okay, and one person from Germany. Okay, one person from Germany, he contacted me and said he wants to acquire my product responsive CV. And I thought it's fake. Okay, after 10 days, I went ahead and researched about him. He is a real angel investor in Germany, and he acquires SaaS product, software as a service. Okay, what it is called, we call the product that I have. He really wants to acquire that product by paying money. These type of big things can happen only on LinkedIn. So we need to have our LinkedIn profile up to date. What is the maximum achievement we did? That has to be updated on LinkedIn, and people know how to find us. There are separate team. Their full-time job is to find people like us. Okay, we want that to, if you want that to happen, we need to have the LinkedIn profile up to date at all times. Okay, because even people like us, we need help. Okay, we need investment, we need money, we need collaboration from outside India. All this happens on LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I said enough about LinkedIn. Today I want to tell you how to write the rest of the landing page. Right now you have your offer sentence, outcome sentence, and the video. So once this is done, 80% of the work is done. Whatever we are going to put below is going to it is going to support what we said in the head section. Okay, now I want to tell you, I asked you to buy this book. Okay, Start with Why. Okay, I want to tell you how I designed this page that follows exactly what is said in this book. Okay, I want you to go to part 2, 37. Okay, part 2, page number 37. Okay, page number 37. If you go, you will find this golden circle. Okay, Simon Sinek has a separate TED talk, TED talk about this golden circle. Okay, and he has a 40 minutes separate talk separately on YouTube. I'll send you both. Okay, just you have to read this chapter. Okay, first you have to read this chapter. Okay, here it is said, it starts with why, how, and what. I cannot explain this. I cannot explain this now. But again, almost every company, every great leader, they start their sentence with why. Okay, now I am going to explain. If you see your outcome sentence, this is why people will join you. This is why people will buy your service. This is the big picture. This is the big picture, not what you offer in the 5-day class. Okay, 5-day class, what you offer, you will speak in the video. But this is learn how to triple your sales for your business is not what I'm offering in the 5-day class. Okay, learn how to triple your sales for your business is the whole picture, big picture. Okay, that is why the sentence comes here. Okay, one more thing. Oh, sorry. One more thing. In the book, after that chapter, the golden circle, after that, he says, okay, he gives countless examples that it's in the biology, not an opinion. It is not his author's opinion. It's in the biology. What's in the biology? Some laws doesn't change. Okay, like the gravity, since the creation of this earth, the gravity is same from that time to till today. Similarly, some things that doesn't change. Okay, the concepts in this book doesn't change even after 100 years from now, because it's in our biology. Right now, if we don't eat, we get hungry. Okay, that's a biology. Right now, similarly, whatever said in this book, it's a biology. Okay, so I designed this template based on that principles. Okay, I'm going to explain that now. I really want Avinash to join today, but again he said he couldn't join. But that's okay. I want to tell that to him. So it's in a biology, it's not an opinion. So I want you to read these three at least part 2. After that, this is not an opinion, this is biology, clarity, discipline, and consistency. Okay, how clear this outcome sentence is. Okay, that's what brings you the results. Okay, I'm going to show you. That. LMF. This person is in my second batch. Okay, LMF Ramnath 2 is a second batch. He couldn't understand even 1 day. He couldn't do even 1 day of it, but he joined it. What I asked here is, why did you pay $499 for this course? Okay, here I asked him, why did you pay $499 for this course? And he replied, to get leads for my website. Okay, but he couldn't complete even 1 day of my course, but his response is to get leads for my website. That is what I said here. Okay, learn how to get 3 times sales, 3 times leads. This is the big picture. Okay, this is what you are going to do. This is the big picture. And again, I just gave you an example. Everyone understand the big picture. Okay, then why? Start with why. Okay, your outcome sentence is the why. Okay, now we said why you need to join. The big picture we showed you. Okay, and then I came down, and this is your offer. Okay, this explains this why. Okay, this why sentence, your offer sentence will explain your outcome sentence. Again, this is also why. This head section is completely why. Okay, and again, here I have this reviews, social proofs, all. It's still why. Okay, it's just explain why you are doing it. Okay, and again I came down. Who is this live workshop for? The who section also tells the clients why they need to join. Okay. If you see, increase the number of leads and sell internationally and earn in USD, these and all, it's still why they need to join your course. Okay. Then come to what. Okay, what you will learn in 5 days live workshop. Okay, then come to what. If you go to the golden circle, then comes what. Why comes first, then comes what. Okay, what will you learn in the 5-day live workshop? Okay, here what you will say, you are promising something in the video. In the video, you are not telling about the big picture. You are in the video, you will be explaining what you are going to deliver in the 5 days. Okay, and that delivery from A to B, you break it into 5 steps. Every step should have a clear outcome. Okay, so I'll tell you again. This is the outcome. This is offer. In the video, you are explaining not about the big picture. Even the video, you are explaining about what you are doing in the 5-day workshop. Okay, this 5 days, what you are explaining in the video, make it into 5 different steps. So that is what you will explain in this what. Okay, type yes if you can get it. Okay, it seems like that I'm speaking to only to myself. Yeah, so this is what you will split into 5 different. The what is 5 different steps to get your clients from A to B. Okay, so this is what you put in what. And I said this is the 5 little steps. You clearly, each and every step should have a clear outcome. Okay, do that. And then the bonuses. The bonuses I have here, the bonuses that you are going to give, it's just not for the sake of bonuses. The bonuses should help them achieve these 5 simple steps. Each and every steps in the what you promised, the 5 steps, correct? No matter how little that is, that these bonuses should help them achieve those 5 little steps. If it doesn't help them achieve, don't put that. Okay, just even without bonuses also they will buy. Okay, as long as our head section is good, they will buy. But if you are giving bonuses, that should have a reason, that should serve a purpose. Okay, for that, the 5 little steps, whatever that you are giving in the 5 days, you have to, this bonuses should help them achieve that. That's why the bonuses. Okay, that's what I said, how to offer bonuses. Okay, now poor to great. So other sections I'll also explain. So the first one, this is why, and this is again why, social proof why, this is what. Okay, and sorry sir, this is not what, this is again why, why they should join. If I say why your client should join, okay, that is the question that you are answering in this section. So why, what and how in one. Okay, clearly explain what and how, and when is also important, so that's why that's coming in middle. When, again, this is also why. Okay, this is our meet the mind behind LMF. You can say that, say a short introduction about you. Again, this should aid. You can be a PhD in something. You should not put PhD. As long as this helps what you are offering in the 5 days, only put that content in your profile. Okay, if you are an authority, okay, if you are an authority, like if you are an actor, you can put it. If you are a doctor, you can put it. Okay, that is fine. You should know why I put UX designer at Samsung, because that is an authority. Authority is something people can instantly get inside the mind. Okay, he is a UX designer at mind, so he designs this template, so it should be great. Hey, he thinks that she is a doctor, so if she says, it will be right. So that is authority. Whatever you feel that you are an authority, you put that. And then authority is fine. Putting a social proof, the authority is fine. But again, you have to let them believe, let your clients believe that I am the right person to deliver you in this 5 days. That is what you should put, not big photographs. I put very small photographs. I can put a big photograph, but that is not, that doesn't serve the purpose. Okay. So that is why I created this section. And the bonuses, I said, it cleverly aids what I'm going to deliver in the 5 days. Okay. Now the person came here. Everyone will have this. The person who don't know you will have only one question. You don't understand me. You don't understand my problem. My problem is unique. That's how they think. Okay, that is the question that I'm answering here. Will it work for my industry? Will your service work for me? Will your product will work for me? But the prospect will think, the prospect or the client will think, you don't understand me enough. You don't understand my problem. Okay, that's what they think. That is the question that we have to answer in bold. In bold is in a separate section. Okay, will it work for me? That question you have to answer it here, and this is very important. This is again the why they should join. Okay, and this is the FAQ questions you have to add. Okay, whether I don't explain much about this, and this section again a social proof. Again, why they should join. The social proof, 64 people already joined. Why you should not also join? Okay, so this one I am going to move it to the top, but again this is also why they should join. And see this final call for boarding. This is not just a section. Okay, here below in the button below, I made a sentence. Take action now to improve your business forever. This is the big picture. Where they saw the big picture, the first line. In the first line, they saw your biggest promise, not what in the 5 days promise. The big promise they saw here, and at the bottom, they see the promise again. So they now have the social proof. They know that you are an authority. When they come down to the bottom of the page, they'll see what they get in the big picture, and then they take the action. Okay, so that's why it came here. The big picture is there in the first line and in the last line. Okay, so in all the sections, can you see, I always talked about them. Even in my profile, I talked about them, about the clients, why they should join. So the why should dominate the page. Okay, now I explained about the page. Okay, I explained about the template. Now this section is specially for Avinash. Okay, he has a separate landing page. Okay, that is really good. Okay, he has a really good landing page, but people can really differentiate about the poor landing page and good landing page. Okay, but there is only a needle difference between good landing page and great landing page. There is only a needle difference between a good website and a great website. I am going to show you the difference between just that GT metric score. Just forget it. Okay, that is just a number that is only machine can read it. But for humans, I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show. This is the website in the mobile. This is how they'll see. Okay, now I'll touch this. Can you see what happened? The country code automatically picked up. Okay, whatever the country the client opens, it automatically picked up, and the number, it automatically filled. Okay, it means if the number is filled, the client already tried to make the payment. Okay, so this automatically saves that number and automatically fills it every time he opens it, and it automatically opens my touchpad. Okay, now if they click it, okay, there is no phone number. Okay, I'll give you the phone number. Okay, 999 4337705. They click the payment. Okay, they don't have to make the payment, but the transaction is complete. I'll tell you, I'll explain why. Okay, they went to the payment. Okay, I just gave the number. They went to the payment page. Okay, but I'll tell you, for us the transaction is complete even if he doesn't make a payment. Do you know why? I'll open the list management. I go to the pending. Can you see this? This is the number I just gave. He doesn't have to make the payment, but the transaction is complete because now you can send a WhatsApp message for him. You can contact him again and again until he makes the payment. But again, if you use other funnels, until he goes there and fills 5 fields and then make the payment, till the payment success, till the payment confirmation, you will not get his contact number. Okay, this is the difference between good and great. I'll give you one more example. Many examples I have. Okay, now I gave that okay, now Jagan Krish, I came to Jagan Krish. Now I click here. Can you see the number automatically filled up? So the number of tasks that you are reducing it will tremendously increase the number of leads that you are getting. Okay, just because someone is offering the free funnels for you, if you just take it, you will not get the contact number of the client who is interested in your service until they complete the payment. This is very, very important. I'm not even asking the name. But I'll have the way to ask their name after the payment. The OTP you entered it, right? That the only reason is to get your name. And when I get a name, I send you the service. I send you the core success link. Okay. So this is the difference between the good and great. And there is only needle difference. Okay. Many people don't understand. Okay. There is only a needle difference between the good and great. So I want you to have the great website. If you are okay with other funnels, it's okay. Okay. You just use that and use this simultaneously. Only then you will know the difference in the results. Okay. So there is a majority of difference between the poor and good. People can easily differentiate between poor and good, and there is a needle difference between good and great, and you have to know that. And I don't have his landing page. Okay, what he did is the logo. I asked you all to design a logo. Okay, he designed a logo and put the logo without removing the background, and there is a primary color here. Okay, whatever the color that you choose here, this is the primary color. Whatever the color you choose here, this is the secondary color, and both colors should come here in your logo. These are all the things people notice. This is the difference between the good and great. No matter how great the content is, they should know that you are a professional. Okay, because the people who you already know, anyway they will come and pay. Okay, if we are going to the people who don't know us, and this is our face on the internet, no matter how good we are in our daily life, when we go to online to the people whom we don't know, we should take care of everything. Okay, so this one I said. Why countdown? There is a countdown timer running everywhere. Okay, here it will not come, but again I'll show you. If they miss the offer, it is real. Okay, in our website, if they just don't take action in the first 15 minutes, they have to pay more. Okay, because most of the people who are action takers will pay within 15 minutes. If they don't take within 15 minutes, they will never pay at all. Okay, if they come back, they know that they are paying higher. Okay, so that is called fear of missing out. Everywhere the timer runs, above the button there will be a timer running. Okay, even Amazon knows. Okay, Amazon has so much of a budget. Okay, they can make sales, but they put the timer there. In the lightning deal, they put a timer. In the checkout page, they put a timer because that still works today. and that's why they put the timer. So that's why the timer is there. Though why there is a countdown? So the fear of we are just making use of all the selling tactics, the scarcity, the fear of missing out. So every tactic is already there in the template. And let's review the offer and offer sentence and outcome sentence now on the video if possible. And I want you to have this flow chart, this diagram, and your offer sentence and outcome sentence should come exactly from here. So that's why I made this here. So that's all for today. I'll send this recording separately to Avinash, and I hope something I gave valuable today. Let's post starting. Let's start reviewing your offer sentence, outcome sentence, and video. Okay. Post your offer sentence. Manjushree madam, can you are you available? Simply you have your offer sentence video. Both are on mute. Okay, then if you don't have any things to review, we can meet again on Sunday morning. Sir, if you have any questions, sir, I'll conduct a separate orientation session first, and then I'll let you know what happens in this premium, sir. Okay, Sandeep sir and Deepak. You can put it in the chat box, sir, so that only then okay, I'll put it. You are helping MBBS doctors. Okay, they will understand. Okay, the target market is MBBS doctors. They will understand
Yes,
this
sir.
sentence.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I don't have any I'll take that. I'll take that formula. I help replace. I'll take mine. I help MBBS doctors to achieve. Okay, achieve a PG seat.
Yeah.
No, is it an achievement?
Acquire.
Obtain.
Yeah.
Obtain. Thank you.
So make it as simple as possible, sir. No
Okay.
matter whom you are talking to, even if they are MBBS doctors, just make it as simple as possible. The more simple it is, the better the outcome, better the results. I help MBBS doctors to get a PG seat. PG is post-graduation seat, right? To get a post-graduation in the top, no, the top medical colleges is too general.
Okay, sir.
What do you think? No, it's just my opinion. The top medical colleges in India, you have affiliated with all.
Yeah, almost all.
And can you give the proof in the landing page?
Yeah, I can give.
Then you can use it. Okay, as long as when they
See, what happens is, I'll tell you, sir, there is a lot of confusion of counseling processes. So the students, they are non-technical, so they get confused out of it. So just make them simple. That all the counseling process, everything will be done by us.
It is in top medical colleges in India without capitation. Capitation means capitation fees.
donations.
You can put donation itself. Why capitation?
Without donations.
Without donations.
Yeah, without any extra payment.
Without, yeah, that sounds great. Without any extra payments, without donation. Donations is what it's just sitting in my mind. Okay. Without
Yeah.
donations. Using what? What is the vehicle? Using what is your program name? What is your school name? What?
For the NEET PG counseling. That's a NEET PG counseling for filling up the preference form to everything.
No, that is something. See,
No.
I have LMF, right? You have to create something unique that is only for you. The purpose of having that vehicle is people should know that you are doing something new. Why they should like they will associate that name with you. So try to create something unique and just go and the top 5 people who are doing this already. If you just go ahead and see that, you will find some idea. But this is the vehicle is very important.
Okay.
Vehicle is very important.
Okay, sir.
So only then they will understand. Next time they come to the page, they will know that it is the same page. Else they will not know that this is the same or different person.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
This is fine.
Okay.
This is just the offer sentence, but you don't know how to about the outcome sentence. Only if we create the great offer sentence, then we can go to outcome. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First, let's fix the offer sentence. Then we can go to the outcome sentence. Yeah.
I will try it.
Yeah. Okay. And Manjushri madam, you have any update on your offer sentence?
Sorry, Jagan, no, I haven't. I don't have any update. I got actually today you clarified. I got a little confused between what the script of the video should be and whether the but today you clarified that the offer and the outcome statement is about the big picture and the video is about the 5-day class.
Yes.
So I'll work on that. And I have a question about this. Must this landing page follow the formula of 5-day class and then upselling, or is that what is working in the Indian marketplace? I mean, online coaching right now, or is it that what if I don't want to target a 5-day class? What if I cannot offer something valuable enough in 5 days? Can I make this into something more? Can I talk about my ultimate big picture right away? What are your views about that?
Great question. Okay, you have to talk about your big picture only on level 1, not on level 0. Okay, why? I'll explain. Why it is 5 days? Why there is a psychological reason for the 5 days. Okay, they have to, madam. I'll just come here. See the targeting. Can you understand targeting?
Yes.
Targeting is we need right people to come to our class. Okay.
Correct.
In level 0, we will not find the right people because they are paying only 199. You cannot charge more than 499 unless you are a Sachin Tendulkar, that big celebrities. Okay, they can charge more, but people like us cannot charge more than 499 or maximum 999 because that's how the market is. Okay, but the ad cost, even for the 200 rupees product, the ad cost will be 600, somewhere between, for you. I am telling, not for me. I can bring it down as long as we are an authority. We have strong social proof that will come down, but it come down with time after 6 months. But initially it will not come down. The ad cost will be 500. Even if it is a 200, it should be 500. In the 5 days, what you have to focus is they have to get the output. To achieve this big picture, they have to get an output in the 5 day itself. But that should not take them. Take this example. I should not say, tell this. I gave really valuable. I gave everything I have in the 5 days. But only one important thing missing. What is that? The payment system. Okay, I am not but that is still valuable because the leads, once they get the leads, they can ask the payment manually. Again, that is fine. Similarly, you have to think, if you can deliver everything in level 0 itself, but it's not profitable and it is not scalable. If you want to do this again and again, you have to keep this model working. Then you have to have some way of bringing clients to the level 1 and you serve the level 1 really very well. See the targeting, see everything, the video is a targeting. Do you agree? Only if you do a video, only people you like, only, sorry, sir, not you like, only people who only people, what I'm saying is the people, only if they understand you, they like you, they come to you.
Correct.
Else they don't come. Correct?
Right.
So the targeting happens in the video.
Okay.
Okay. So everything here in the landing page is targeting. We are trying to bring right people in. Even after paying $4.99, people don't know what I'm doing in 5 days. And
Correct.
that is the right way of putting them out.
Filtering
Level
them.
0 is the right way of putting them out. Here
Yes.
there are 10 people right now. Exactly, they know. They paid 7,500 because they exactly know what I do. And only those people can get results. You understood, right? Level 1, you have
Yes.
to get people to level 1. Even if it's, I know people, they are charging only 1,500 for level 1. Okay, that is fine. But you should have a level 1. Even if you don't believe in it, you should have a level 1. Keep the level 1 as 1,500. So that many people be in.
So this 5 day, you're calling it as level 0 or level 1?
Level 0. Level 0 is 5 days.
Okay, fine. All right.
And see, in the level 0, they have to go to some place good, but not great.
No,
They have to go to here, but only one step. They have to come to your level 1 to go to the final step. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, which means I just have to now reverse engineer kind of thing. I have the big picture. I've been working with the clients who are working with me on the big picture, but now I have to kind of work it backwards. Okay.
Okay, see, madam, that you already you don't have to go to ads initially, because you will have a lot of people. You are an authority, you have a lot of clients, right? You just send your landing page to them, and you will definitely find at least 50 people in the first class itself. Okay. For us, that we don't have such client. Okay, we don't see people face to face. For us, we have to go and do the ads. Okay, for people like you, I suggest there is one more person. Okay, I know she is in my batch, and she's in Delhi. Okay, she got 50 to 60 clients initially, but it usually fades away. Okay, first when you do it, people will know that they know you personally. They'll come and pay. Okay, and after the second week, the 60 will come to 30, and the third week 30 come to 10, and then you will not get at all.
Correct.
Okay, so if you want to do this consistently, we have to do ads. We have to do marketing.
No, that's fine. I just wanted to know. I know that this is the level 0, level 1, and the big picture, as you're talking about, is something that we are following now. But I haven't yet designed the level 1. I mean, so I need some more clarity about that myself, because only when I have clarity will the content also flow. So I'll work on that.
Even I had never had clarity when I started, but you will get clarity after 2 classes.
Sure.
Yeah, no, it's not that. I'll show you. I bought a book. Okay, this book is 2,500 rupees in India. Okay, here it is said. I can take a screenshot and send it to you. You will never get a complete clarity. Okay, you will never get a complete clarity if you wait for clarity. You go anyway. The first you are going to take to the people you already know, and they will pay, and they will come and listen to you because they already know you. So you will get the clarity when you take the class to them. Okay, that's what my I'll send that. Okay, I'll send that. Today only I read that. Okay, can we end the session? Yes, any questions? Can we end the session? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet on Sunday morning, Saturday morning, 9 a.m.
Thank you.